And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, well, at least it's comfortable today, right? We've got temperatures only around 70 to the upper 70s. Of course, the big story is the thick smoke. It may really bottom out during the overnight, because at that point we will have a little bit of an inversion that develops, and mixed with the thick smoke will be some patchy fog. So really bad air quality. We could be in some of the lowest air quality in the world later on this evening. In fact, right now the worst air on the planet, with all the air sensors around the world outside Karachi, Pakistan, is Detroit and Chicago and Milwaukee right as we speak. And some of that air will gradually work southward. So this is kind of a dangerous situation, especially if you are susceptible to the thick smoke. We're down to 53 for the low tide. 52 to 54 should do it viewing area wide. The sky looks overcast. Nope, the clouds have already cleared. This is just all smoke, and you can see that gray color right here. Very thick smoke coming in courtesy of the Quebec fires up here. A lot of what's happening is the low is here. It's raining on the fire. So what happens when you put some water on a campfire with damp grass? It smokes like crazy. So we have so much smoke up here with it raining on that fire and it being pulled down into our area. Now the pattern's going to change. The smoke goes away. It gets a little better tomorrow, especially better on Thursday. The extreme heat wave in Texas expands. This is the heat dome. And then right on the periphery, that heat dome, look at that, rounds of storms are possible. All right, highs tomorrow running a low to mid 80s area wide, 84 for your high temperature. Winds out of the southeast around 9 miles an hour. So a little bit of a breeze after some of the patchy fog during the morning hours. There are your highs, 84 Monticello, Flora, and Delphi, 85 at Attica. So low humidity tomorrow. But then Thursday morning between 3 and 10 a.m., some scattered storms. The green is marginal risk, a 1 out of 5 on the scale. That means an isolated severe storm or two cannot be ruled out. The threat would be some hail up to maybe quarter size. Then after a break Thursday afternoon, 5 p.m. to 1 a.m., we see the risk go up for hail, wind, and even an isolated tornado or two, or a little urban, localized little flash flooding from some pretty heavy downpours. Even though we're in a drought, we're in slight risk, 2 out of 5. I think we could be upgraded to a 3 out of 5. Here in the next Storm Prediction Center update tonight, and it will be hot and humid on Thursday as well before those storms. Upper 80s to low 90s, going to feel like mid 90s to around 100. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow, smoky. That's 1:30 in the afternoon. Watch Thursday morning, though, right there. Hear the storms flaring up. Look at the clock. 5:30, isolated severe. There's 9:30 in the morning. They are pulling away. Then we get the break with the heat and the humidity. And then we watch these storms flare up to our northwest, impacting us during the evening. And multiple rounds of storms with severe weather risk, not only on Friday, but also on Saturday, too. 91 Thursday, Friday, 87 Saturday, 85 Sunday, a little drier Tuesday, then more off again, on again storms. And between all of this, I think at the very least, we could get a good 2 to 4 inches of rainfall.